Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a variation of the slanted cluster bead stitch. I'm using the extended single crochet and the puff stitch to give you a slightly different look. To get started in the row, I'm just going to chain one, and then I'm going to work an extended single crochet into the first two stitches. So to do that, you're just going to insert your hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through. You have two loops on the hook. We're going to wrap the yarn over and we're going to pull through one loop, and essentially that's a chain one, just to bring the stitch up a little higher. So we're going to wrap the yarn over again, and now we're going to pull through both loops on the hook. Okay, so once again, I'm going to insert the hook, wrap the yarn over, pull through, wrap the yarn over and pull through one loop, or make a chain one, wrap the yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, now to make the puff stitch, we're not going to work it around the entire base of the stitch. Instead, we're only going to go into this chain right here. And if you're looking at it from this way, you have two strands, and then the back loop there, you want to make sure you want to go in between these two strands, and you want to make sure that back loop ends up on the left side of the hook, so that when you turn your hook, you have two strands on the side of the hook. If you're left-handed, you'll want to have it on your right side. It'll be the opposite. Okay, so then to make the puff stitch, I'm just going to wrap the yarn over, and we're going to go into the middle, going to catch those two loops on the side of the hook, wrap the yarn over and pull through. I'm going to do that 3 times. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we should have 7 loops on the hook. Okay, and we're going to wrap the yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Okay, and then we're going to skip this stitch, and we're going to go into here, make another extended single crochet, and a puff stitch,